Hi guys, welcome to this full review about this Ridetofly stand-up paddle board. It's not only a paddle board, it's a totally complete set. I've tried it yesterday with my son. We had a lot of fun, and so I'm going to explain, show you all the parts, all the details, how to use, and after that I'm going to show a lot of footage so you can see how we have been using and enjoying it yesterday. So here you can see a quick overview of what you get. It's absolutely amazing. It comes with this nice large bag with even some extra pockets where the whole paddleboard is fitting into. Then we get this nice seat, comes even with some extra pockets. We can secure this very easy with just these 4 hooks here on the paddleboard. Then the paddleboard itself, you can see the opening here to inflate. It's a very special valve which closes automatically, so you don't have to worry that you're losing air. As long as the paddleboard is not fully inflated, it's easily foldable and of course unfoldable, but as soon as it's fully inflated, which takes only about 5 minutes, the board turns into hard board with the stiffness of styrofoam, and so it's actually pretty stable in the water despite the light weight, and also the 3 fins help a lot to keep it stable as well. It's even capable to withstand some intermediate waves in the ocean. Of course, then it's rather recommended to use it seated or at least on your knees in such conditions, and only use it standing if the water is flat and smooth. It's a lot of fun to go against the surf or even with the surf, and there it can even be used as some kind of surfboard. Yes, a lot of people are actually doing that on a regular basis, and I got already a small taste of it. We have also this additional large hook here in the back. We have these 4 hooks to secure the seat, then the main hold. That's really important to have a safe grip, and so we can easily and safely transport the whole float with only this grip here. And I can tell you it's a very lightweight stand-up paddle board. I've already been using different ones, and this is the most lightweight by far, so that makes it very easy, very comfortable to transport it, especially at the beach. That's very helpful. And it comes with this anti-skid coating here in a very large area, so you can see that you have a very safe stand. And then we get this elastic cord already mounted on these hooks here, especially for transporting things like your backpack or so, and this will perfectly fit for the dry pack, which is even included in this packaging, which you can see here. Here we have the pump. By the way, you cannot use any standard pump because it needs more pressure. We have to inflate it to about 1 bar. It's nicely indicated here, and we didn't have any problem. Just took about 10 minutes to inflate, also to deflate is even fast, about 5 minutes or so. Then we have the paddle. It's 1 paddle. It is made out of 4 parts. We have the one here, we have 1 middle part here, and then we have the other side. But you can replace one of these parts also with this one here, which you can use to really use it as a stand-up. And if you're using these 2, you can use it more like a kayak. It comes with this really helpful quick snap close. By the way, we have also this fin here which we have to secure in the bag. I've put it to the other side so you can see how easy this is to put on. And here we see the remaining parts. That's this strap here which we can use to really bind the boat hard together so it easily fits into the carry bag. Then we get 2 times such glass holders. Very nice that we see that they care about everything, really everything, even 2 times phone protection for the beach, an additional strap, and even this repair set. So everything is really nicely built, very sturdy, and it's very easy to use. There is absolutely nothing complicated or so. I even didn't have to check the instructions manual. Everything is really straightforward, very easy, very clear. A lot of things have even their own instructions on the devices. Very nice, and so for me it worked very well. We had a lot of fun. The only thing which I can recommend is to buy not only 1 but 2 of them, because it's even much more fun to have 2 of them and ride them side by side. So again, from my side, full recommendation, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order drive from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.